The market is bleeding right now, guys, but Bitcoin is just barely below all-time highs. Where will Pepe coin go? Where will the altcoins go? We're going to be talking about Pepe coin in this video. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Welcome back to Crypto Report. I'm Black C. Let's talk about Pepe. All right, guys, so first things first, we're looking at the Pepe coin chart right now, and we can see we're seeing a little bit of sell-off, but man, the overall market sentiment right now is pretty crazy. A lot of people are really upset. People think that it's all over. But you look at the Pepe chart, guys. We are barely down at all. Like when you really look at this and you pick this apart and you want to measure it from the peak to where we're at right now, we're down about 25%. You may seem like that's a lot, but when you really are measuring this, when you get off the logarithmic here, if you're really measuring this and seeing where we're at and where we came from, we are still up about 180% from the breakout. That is nothing to scoff at, guys. That is a massive move to the upside. And when we're in these bull markets, guys, do not be surprised when you see these massive sell-offs, guys. It is, I keep saying this because I think a lot of people are getting caught off guard about this, and there's a lot of new people coming to the cryptocurrency space, and I can tell by the comments and how people react to certain movements in the price. Bull markets are not as easy as bear markets, guys. I've been saying this for a while, that bull markets are much more difficult than bear markets, because in a bear market, all you have to do is buy and hold. But in bull markets, you have to know when to sell, and it's very difficult. And that's why I always say my best strategy, everyone should find the strategy that works out best for them, but my favorite strategy is to be taking profit along the way up. I am a cyclical trader, a swing trader. That's how I am profitable. So let's talk about this entire market, guys. So we are seeing a sell-off across the board. It's pretty brutal. You know, you see a lot of red, but Bitcoin is still over $104,000. But these altcoins are taking a big beating. Pepe is taking a big beating, down about 25%. That's a big sell-off if you really just isolate the breakdown, okay? You know, we are holding up over key levels, and we'll take a look at that shortly. We are looking okay, but we do want to look at our points of saying, okay, this is an issue, or we're just getting ready for another move to the upside. Bitcoin dominance, 56.56%, guys. That's where you're seeing the pain, okay? Bitcoin dominance is rallying significantly. Liquidity is moving out of Bitcoin, and it's moving out of the market. But Bitcoin is really holding up relatively well right now. But Bitcoin dominance is rallying. So that money from those alts are going into Bitcoin. People are getting a little spooked. But when you look at Bitcoin, you know, Bitcoin sneezes and the entire altcoin ecosystem just absolutely crashes. Massive sells across the board. That's what we're scared about right now. That's what everyone's freaking out about right there. Let me zoom in for you. Let me zoom in even a little bit more for you, okay? That, you see that little red candle right here? That's what everyone's freaking out about, okay? I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but it can get a lot worse, okay? In bull markets, it's not crazy to say that we could see a 30% drawdown. We could see a move to $77,000, guys. I'm not saying that's happening right now. I think that people are a little bit worried about what's going on. They think that Bitcoin needs to be going higher. They're worried about their altcoins dumping, and when they see Bitcoin move down, they're saying, oh, I just got to get out of this. I got to get out of this. And the retailers panic selling their altcoins. I see that. I feel like that's what's happening. But what's going on with Pepe? Pepe's seeing a rank 21, down about 6% in the past 7 days, down about 8% in the past 24 hours, sitting at almost below a $9 billion market cap. All-time highs was $11 billion. Everyone's just panicking. We need to wait for the rotation. It's not crazy to think that it's possible that we see 30% drawdowns on the way up for Bitcoin. And when that happens, you're going to see some blood in the streets for altcoins, guys. But I do believe we're going to be looking at Bitcoin dominance shortly. There's signals flashing that altcoin season is right around the corner, and we will see some relief here. And if you believe that, then please check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. Sign up to Blowfin. You get a $5,000 sign-on bonus, as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account, guys. No other exchange is offering this right now. I really recommend you sign up before this offer is over. It probably will end during the end of the bull market. So sign up now, because if you want to trade in a year from now, you'll be grandfathered into that 10% off all trading fees. So when everything's dumping and everyone's freaking out, over on crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333blackc. I say, breaking, BlackRock bought $733.6 million worth of Bitcoin yesterday. This is continuing to happen, guys. Every time we see a sell-off, BlackRock is buying. Institutions are buying. Governments are buying. Let's not forget about the big picture here. When Bitcoin starts to go higher, the altcoins will follow suit. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. And that matter of when is when Bitcoin dominance breaks down. I want to show you guys this chart because this is absolutely insane. So for the past 2 years, I was talking about Bitcoin dominance and how we've been rallying in this ascending, well, it's really a rising wedge. It's a bearish formation. And I said when we break out and get confirmation for the breakdown, that's when altcoin season begins. And I really did time the top here. Around November 20th, I posted a tweet on Twitter saying Bitcoin dominance right now, and I showed a picture of me on the top of a mountain, okay? That was around here, right where we peaked out, and we started coming down. I said, the top is in. And for the past couple days, I've been saying, there's a chance that we break down, and instead of spilling over, we break down and retest the bottom of the rising wedge, and we hope that it tests it as resistance, and we reject off and continue our altcoin season. And I do expect something like that to play out. I really do. There's always invalidations. In my mind, the only way I see us really getting back into this rising wedge, which would not be a good thing, would be for Bitcoin to rally here and altcoins to bleed. And really the only way I see that playing out is if Bitcoin makes the next move to the upside to, say, $120,000, $130,000 fast, very, very quickly. But the way that things are starting to shape out right now, I don't really see that happening. I do expect that there's a chance that we come up a little bit higher on Bitcoin dominance, but inevitably we're going to break down and we're going to have altcoin season, okay, guys? So let's not panic. Pepe is going to perform well. Altcoins are going to perform well. But max pain right now is Bitcoin goes up, altcoins bleed. Bitcoin goes down, altcoins crash, okay? That is max pain. We're seeing that play out right now. But in the spirit, to give some hope to you guys, I'm going to do a little bit of giveaway. Go follow me at 333blackc on Instagram and Twitter. If I can get to 1,000 followers on Instagram within the next 48 hours, I will give one of you guys $1,000. So go follow me, 333blackc, and maybe you can win $1,000. But I really do want to take a look at Pepe here, because as long as we hold up in this channel here, we're making a higher low, okay? Making a higher low. My invalidation would be if we break down below, say, about here. If we break down below, say, 4018835, then and see daily candle closures, then I'd say, okay, this is something else that's going on. Maybe we can test 40169, and if we break below that, then I say, okay, now we're looking at something different here. And where are we going to come? Well, the next level will be around this consolidation level that we saw, which is basically at 508474. I know people don't want to see that. That'd be a big, big sell. If that's before Robinhood, I don't think that that's going to happen. That would be very, very local top vibes if we see something like that play out. I do expect there to be some volatility here, and I do expect altcoins to perform well. Not the distant future, guys. Very, very soon. I think into Q1 of 2025 is when we see big moves for altcoins. So pay attention, guys. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. How high do you think Pepe will go? Let me know in the comment section below. I do believe we have BlackRock, all these institutions buying Bitcoin. We have governments buying Bitcoin, talking about Bitcoin strategic reserves, okay? It can get crazy. Bitcoin flips the market cap of gold. Now we're talking about $1 million Bitcoin. Now we're talking about $100 billion market cap Pepe. And what's that? That's a 10x from here. I think it's very possible. That's all I got for you guys. If you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, follow me at Instagram and Twitter at 333blacksea. Maybe you can win $1,000. And please check out those awesome referral links down below. Take advantage of that 10% off all trading fees. No other exchange is offering that. Take advantage of it. I'll see you in the next one, guys.